Okay, girls, so let's do chapter 8.9, expanding brackets. So to do this, I have
Sorry, I didn't understand.
I have a block here. Um, let's call this block, doesn't matter, let's call it A. Okay, so this particular block is going to be A. Now, this block that I have here, I'm going to put next to it. So I'm adding this little block to the purple one. Yep, that works. Let's call this B. So what I have just done is A plus B. Agree with me? So that's the block that I created here. Okay, let's say that I'm going to have 3 more exact blocks like this one. So to do that, let me see if this works. Yay! Okay, so I have here another block exactly like the one that I have before. Everyone agrees with me. So here we go. Boom, I'm trying to put it here. So I have another A plus B there and another one. Great. I'm just going to put this one here next to it. Move. Good. Is it working? Yeah, kind of. This one needs to be a little bit higher. Doesn't matter. You know that they're different blocks. Okay, so how many in total blocks from A and B did I put? So I put 3. Okay. So if I ask you how many A's do I have, you can say, okay, she had an A here and another A here and another A here. So in total, she has 3 A's. Okay. And how many B's do I have? What is happening with the B's? Is it multiplying? Is it adding? You say, okay, actually I have 3 A's here, but I'm adding another 3 B's. So she's adding another 3 B's. Okay. So what I actually said that I did is I used the distributive law. Distributive law means that this 3 is affecting both pronumerals or both expressions inside the bracket. So it's affecting the first one and the second one. And when I do that, I get 3A plus 3B. Okay? So that's what we call the distributive law. So I'm going to write it here for you girls. Distributive law. And I'm sure that you're asking, do I have to write this, Miss Ochoa? And what do you think? The answer is yes, you have to. And I want you to draw these blocks, and you wanted to show this and exactly this, and this is what we call the distributive law. Okay, great. So just to clarify something, let's say this is an extra thing here. I'm putting an asterisk. Let's say that what I had was 3. So not what I have here, not A plus B, but let's say that what I have was A times B. Now my question will be, does the distributive law affect here? And the answer, of course, is not. Why not? Because what is happening inside the bracket here is timesing. So it's not the same thing of what we had here, okay? It's not the same thing that I had A plus B and I put the same block 3 times. In this case, what I will have inside will be like an area and then times a 3, so like creating a volume. So a completely different thing of what I have here. What will be the answer to this one? So this one doesn't have the distributive law, but what will be the answer to this one? So we will work brackets first, and that will be AB. And then can we times 3 times AB? Yes, we can, and that will be 3AB. As you can see, very different to what I have here, okay? So this is not the distributive law. I'm going to put it here. Just to say, no distributive law, this thing, okay? This is not distributive law, okay, girls? Wonderful. Let's say that I had a different thing like this one, but let's say that I had 7 A take away B. Okay, so in this case, can I simplify any further what I have inside the brackets? The answer is no, because they're different terms. Okay, so does the distributive law affects here? Yes, it does. We can do that. So we can do that the 7 is affecting both numbers inside the brackets. So it's affecting the A and it's affecting the B. So this will be equal to 7A, take away 7B. Okay, good. So in same way that doesn't affect if they're multiplying, it doesn't affect either if they're dividing. Okay, I'm not going to write that down, but you should know that. Wonderful, girls. We're going to do some examples in the next video.